Hello there, thank you very much for joining me. It's Mohammed Fahim. Today's lesson is about appearance. The description of someone's look, यानी कि कोई इंसान कैसा दिखाई देता है जो कि आपके सराउंडिंग में होता है. आज उस लेसन के बारे में हम बात करेंगे. And there are few certain things that I want to clarify in the beginning of this very lesson. इसमें there are some activities like icebreaker, and there are some questions and answers how to respond. अगर आपसे कोई ये कहता है कि describe someone और tell us about the appearance of someone, तो आपने कैसे आंसर देना है. फेस vocabulary है, एज appearance के हिसाब से vocabulary है, and structure of sentences है कि आप कैसे sentence pattern, particular pattern use कर सकते हैं to answer some questions. And we have practical activity in the end of this very lesson, and there is a vocabulary opposites of some descriptions. और in the end इस वीडियो के आखिर में I read 4 excerpts. मैं 4 excerpts पढ़ूंगा आपके लिए जो कि छोटे छोटे हैं, and you have to identify about the appearance किस किस्म की wording जो है वो यूज की गई है. And the last item in this very video is a picture of different personalities, और उनका comparison है जो कि actually vocabulary है that you can do yourself. So let's start the lesson. Whenever we talk about the appearance of someone or how someone looks like, we use certain icebreakers, startups or starting sentence. So this is a vocabulary. जब आप कोई initiate करते हैं गुफ्तगू, you use the word icebreaker or startup or starting sentence. कैसे आप से starting sentence use कर सकते हैं appearance के लिए. So first of all, tell me about. आप अगर आपने किसी से किसी की appearance के बारे में पूछना हो तो आप इस किस्म का word use करेंगे. Tell me about your and space. Tell me about your father, tell me about your mother, tell me about your brother, tell me about your siblings, tell me about your friends, or tell me about your colleagues. You can put any word in this very blank, and the response will always be he, she, or they are. और space में आप कह सकते हैं he is tall, he is handsome, यानी वो अच्छा दिखाई देता है. He's fat, वो मोटा है. He's heavy build, वो बहुत भारी भरकम है. So this is how you can change sentences. Remember, these are the icebreakers. ये just initiate करने के लिए हैं. In actual, we will start it later. Another way is जब आपने किसी से सवाल पूछ रहा हो, is your brother or is your friend, is your colleague tall? क्या वो लंबा है? Is your colleague mean? क्या वो कमीना है? और maybe he is malicious. वो malicious है, attitude अच्छा नहीं है. अगर तो positive में आंसर है, we will always say yes. He is, she is, they are, जो भी आप आंसर देना चाहें. अगर नहीं में है तो remember you have to answer in this way. No, not at all. नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. As a matter of fact, हकीकत तो ये है. As a matter of fact के बाद आप कह सकते हैं as a matter of fact, he is an honest person. वो एक ईमानदार आदमी है. She is a beautiful girl. अगर किसी की ब्यूटी के बारे में क्वेश्चन किया गया है कि वो एक beautiful है, or they are intelligent, वो ज़हीन है. So you have to change the sentences according to your needs. So these are the icebreakers that we can use to start the conversation when we talk about the appearance or describing people's look. Now look at these questions. Normally, whenever you talk to someone about describing the looks of someone, you come across these questions. These are the questions. What do you look like? For example, it's about you. What do you look like? आप किस तरह के दिखाई देते हैं? They may be asking about your stature, आपके कद के बारे में, about your resemblance to someone, आपकी मुशाबिहत के बारे में, excuse me, about your health, किसी चीज के बारे में. So first we will look at only the questions. What do you look like? Do you have long or short hair? Long or short hair, यानी आपके बाल लंबे हैं या छोटे हैं. Do you wear glasses? Glasses, or for अगर आपकी eyesight weak है, you can use the word spectacles. Spectacles. And then we have who has curly hair in your family. If someone has a straight hair or curly hair, यानी घुंघराले बाल हैं या सीधे बाल हैं. And what color are your eyes? आपकी आंखों क्या रंग है? You can ask this very question in 2 different ways. What is the color of your eye? Or what's the color of your eyes? And what color are your eyes? And last question is, are you tall or short? आप लंबे हैं या छोटे हैं? So normally such type of questions are asked when somebody wants to know about your appearance, maybe over the phone or maybe by matrimonial services. जो शादी की services होती हैं, they want to inquire about you. So these are answers, and it is not necessary that you answer the question. It is like this. If somebody asks you, like if you are an IELTS exam, just suppose you are in a IELTS exam, International English Language Testing System, or you are in a English language class, or maybe you are in an interview and they ask you, tell us about your appearance. Then you do not need to focus on these questions. These are the questions that you should have in your mind, but you have to tell all the answers in the form of a paragraph. In writing form is a paragraph, but when you tell them, you have to say everything in one go. You have to say everything in one go. आपको एक ही गो में एक ही दफा में सारा कुछ कहना है. कैसे? Let's move like this. For example, there is a person. ये एक person है, and this person asks me, tell me about your appearance. Now I have to tell him what? I'm a middle age. मेरी दरमियानी उम्र है. Tall, slim, and active person. So look at this. I have used I'm a middle age. दरमियानी उम्र, tall, लंबा, slim, पतला, and active person, or my active person. You can use like this. I'm a middle-aged person. I am tall. I'm smart. I'm active. Actually, when you use so many times I, it makes the conversation bulky, heavy कर देता है. So what you need to do, you need to use your subject only once. I am a middle-aged, tall, slim, and active person. And then you can say, I have long hair, because it's about your appearance. I have long hair and I wear glasses. I have long hair and I wear glasses. I combine two sentences. And then you also can say, I have neither long hair nor short hair. यानी ना तो मेरे बाल लंबे हैं ना छोटे हैं. If you have to say like this, तो इसमें आप neither का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. Neither nor or either or. So these are the some of the phrases. और इसके बारे में एक lesson है on my YouTube channel English for Everyone, the use of neither nor or either or. So you can find them there. I have neither long hair nor short hair. और इस तरह भी आप कह सकते हैं I have neither long nor short hair, यानी ना तो लंबे बाल हैं ना छोटे हैं. All of my family members have straight hair. मेरी सारी फैमिली के बाल लंबे हैं. आप इसे चेंज कर सकते हैं. All of my family members have curly hair. उनके curly बाल हैं. They have short hair. They have long hair. लंबे बाल हैं. And no one has curly hair in my family. आप ये भी कह सकते हैं, यानी किसी के curly बाल नहीं हैं. And I have black eyes and I'm a bit tall. यानी मेरी black eyes हैं, blue eyes हैं, brown eyes हैं, जो भी आप कहना चाहें. And I am a bit tall. इसमें I am tall की जगह जो मैंने यहाँ पे यूज किया, मैंने लिखा है I am a bit tall. Bit tall का मतलब है the person is a little bit long, taller, यानी कि थोड़ा सा लंबा है. So you can use tall or taller. So दोनों, लेकिन अगर आप bit tall यूज करेंगे वो भी अच्छा है. So this is how you can answer these questions, and this is how you can answer someone's question in one go. We have face vocabulary. Face vocabulary में beard है for male, and then shave जिसकी shave है, mustache जो मूंछें होती हैं उन्हें, big eyes बड़ी eyes को small eyes, round eyes, and all face जो oval face होता है, round face होता है, इनके बारे में जो चेहरे की शिनाख्त है. And we have age appearances में just look at is childlike, यानी बच्चों की तरह दिखाई देना. Don't confuse this word childlike with childish. Childish means something foolish, जो कि बेवकूफाना होती है. क्योंकि बच्चे अक्सर जो बहुत छोटे बच्चे हैं, they do some mischievous things. So जो कि foolish, sometimes foolish things. It's not like foolish. It's childlike, यानी बच्चों की तरह, with a small face. Then we have a young. You can use this for small children, and you can use this for a young person who is above 18, 16, something like that. Middle age जो दरमियानी उम्र होती है, and the old age बुढ़ापा होता है. We have sentence pattern. Remember, if you are answering someone, you need to use certain cases. What cases? Like somebody asks you, does your brother have long hair? क्या लंबे बाल? आप कह सकते हैं he has short hair, he has long hair. Normally जब भी आप कोई possession वाली चीज बताते हैं, like I have good eyes, beautiful eyes, convincing eyes in different matters. So इसमें आप possessive case use करते हैं. There is a lesson on possessive cases on my YouTube channel as well. And then form of to be, we have done this form of to be Ismr in recently about 3 or 4 days ago. Like he is tall, he is short. So this is how you use. And then we also use past form of to be, where we use was and were. Like he was fat, he was cunning. And then we can use two sentences to answer someone. इसमें first sentence will be in the past and the second will be in the present. So how we will translate it? Like he was cunning, वो मक्कार था, but now आप ये अल्फाज यूज करेंगे. But now he is good. सो दिस इज हाउ, अगर आपके सेंटेंस में आपका रिस्पॉन्स भी शामिल हो, नेगेटिविटी है पहले सेंटेंस में या पॉजिटिविटी है और दूसरे में नेगेटिविटी है, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द टाइम, जो टाइम यूज है उसके मुताबिक अगर आप पास्ट एंड प्रेजेंट दोनों को यूज कर सकते हैं. सो प्रैक्टिकल एक्टिविटी में है ये आपके लिए बेसिकली, इफ यू आर अलोन एंड यू वांट टू improve your English, so just there are multiple options. You catch someone in your family and then you pose different questions or ask the person to pose different questions to you and you can say describe a family member. आप एक family member को बयान कीजिए, and it's a solo activity as well, आप अकेले भी कर सकते हैं. describe a family member यानी उसकी appearance के बारे में बताइए, his her appearance, उसके फेवरेट एक्टर के बारे में बात कीजिए, हाउ दैट एक्टर लुक्स लाइक यानी उस एक्टर की अपीयरेंस के बारे में बात कीजिए. डिस्क्राइब फैशन वियर एटीट्यूड ऑफ योर फैमिली मेंबर और फ्रेंड, यानी आपका फैमिली मेंबर या फ्रेंड का जो एटीट्यूड है टुवर्ड्स फैशन आइटम्स, टुवर्ड्स वेयरिंग फैशन क्लोथ्स, तो उसके बारे में क्या एटीट्यूड है. दिस विल इंप्रूव योर कम्युनिकेशन. वी हैव वोकैबुलरी, सम वोकैबुलरी, दीज आर द ऑपोजिट्स एज वेल. यू कैन सी टॉल एंड शॉर्ट, लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट. टॉल जो कि कद में लंबा होता है, एंड लॉन्ग यू कैन यूज इट फॉर योर हेयर, एंड लार्ज एंड बिग जो कि साइज में होता है, स्मॉल, लिटिल, हाई जो कि बहुत बुलंद होता है, लो. हियर फैट एंड स्किनी है, सॉरी हैवी फैट और इसके मुकाबले में स्किनी है, दुबला पतला. हैवी एंड लाइट जो चीज भारी होती है, विच इज हैवी इन वेट, एंड लाइट विच हैज लो क्वांटिटी और लिटिल क्वांटिटी ऑफ वेट. एंड लूज एंड टाइट, fast and slow, straight and curly, wide and narrow, thick and thin, new and old, good and bad, soft and hard, clean and dirty, noisy, loud or quiet, married and single, hot and cold. Now you will experience some script that I will read for you, and after that there will be a picture and you can do practical activity in that as well. Thank you very much for joining me. Mohammed. The first script is about office worker. Mr. Ahmed is an office worker. He is tall and neat. He wears formal clothes such as a shirt and tie. He has short black hair and wears glasses. He always looks professional and organized. The second activity is about a friend. My friend Ali is young and cheerful. He is medium height and slim. He has curly hair and a bright smile. He usually wears casual clothes and looks friendly and active. The third script is about news presenter. The news presenter is very beautiful and confident. She has long straight hair and wears light makeup. She is always well dressed and elegant. She speaks clearly and looks smart on television. The fourth script about shabby and unhealthy person. The man looks weak and unhealthy. His clothes are old and untidy. He has messy hair and looks tired. His face looks pale and he seems unhappy and exhausted. This is a chart with different descriptions of looks of different persons. You can use vocabulary words that are in the bottom of the page and can compare different personalities and can understand how to use it. Thank you very much.